And moreover, in the actually in all the clinics, we are finding the physiotherapist, the base of the surgeon, base of the MRIs, base of the suggestion of the surgeon, they will do for the physio. According to your thing, like what is the
I feel
opinion?
that, like he said, the clinical assessment by the physiotherapist, how the things are behaving is more important even than the study of your CT scans. And because you are not a you are a body, you are a living body, you are not a X-ray, you are not a, because they can change. Anybody interpretation can change, but nothing can change what your body is doing. And if the physiotherapist finds out what the body is actually doing, he is the best judge to tell the patient what exactly is wrong and take the correct measures rather than doing it in a robotic way just by seeing the images and the films.
That means day by day the physiological changes will happen in the patient.
Yes,
So,
every day
so
there will be
accordingly, you
changes.
have to clinically.
How by any investigation you cannot find out that improvement is actually, but clinically, if somebody can find out and how much then the treatment is required for how many days, when to stop, when the support has to stop, and when you have to start next level of exercises is very important.
So all the time clinical assessment is very
Yes.
important instead of radiologically or this thing, MRI or CT scan. First we have to assess which muscle is affected, which nerve is affected. We have to clinical assess. Then we have to go for any further correlation. We have to go for radiologically. Then we can match that.
So that means anytime we don't depend totally on like whatever the reports, radiologist.
Yeah.
So
Only first thing we have to assess the clinical. That's very important.
So first day when sir approached you by seeing this condition, what is your opinion? Like you thought like it will take more time for any
See, because once I started the now condition, we didn't check now condition study something. The stimulation only, because what all muscles is acting, just which now root like motor point or something, we stimulate that place, it will know which muscle, which nerve is acting. Depends on the based on where we can assess how long it will take implemented. Suppose like grade 3, grade 4 injury, nerve injury, it will take longer period. Maybe it will come or not, we don't know exactly. This is a grade 1, grade 2 injuries. That it will come very fast, like almost maximum 1 week, 2 weeks.
Dr. Manjunath actually initially itself told me after the first examination itself that I will be getting improved within a week time. I will be totally on the feet.
Almost now 80% is improved.
And do you think like the role of the patient is also important for following follow-ups, whatever the things you are suggesting, that is also involved?
Yeah, definitely. It's very important. Up to 4 weeks, the follow-up is very important.
And what you are suggesting that we should follow?
Yeah, definitely. The sensation part, it will come last part. It will take maybe 1 or 2 months.
Okay.
The paresthesia part, it will quite longer period. First thing, the movement it will improve.
Okay. And Manjuna sir, I want to ask one question. Like doctor came to your clinic for taking a physiotherapist, you are giving us some care about the stimulation, non-stimulation. Suppose there is a common man, if approach to you, so how you are going to treat him? The same way, or you are giving some other different?
Same. There is no difference between any common man, any profession,
So
doctor.
your fundamental process.
Yeah. First, I have to check clinically. Then I have to go for what to do. I'll go to decide. Maybe it will galvanic current or Faraday current, which stimulation intensity. I'll assess and I'll decide.
Suppose is a doctor is having a good knowledge about all the nerves and everything. Suppose he is suggesting something to you like you do like this.
See, what all I know, just we discuss with what all my knowledge and doctor knowledge. Just he's a basic doctor. That's why he knows. He's senior doctor. He knows good anatomy and physiology. He will also correlate with me. And what all my knowledge I'll share with him, and we'll finalize what to do. Because
Okay.
common man, I can't explain these things, because what all had to say, he had to listen, had to follow that.
So basically, you are very confident and you take
Yeah,
your own
100%,
decision.
100% confident. Maybe it'll 5 sittings maximum, 5 to 6 sittings. Will be 100% normal.
Yeah, doctor, about the first day and this day today. So how you are feeling like?
I'm feeling as if I'm rejuvenated totally. My strength is back, my confidence is back. So once my strength is back, automatically my confidence comes, and then the confidence boosts the other things. So both of them are interdependent. So it is very important that once you are okay, you should start doing your activity, daily activity, not think too much about okay, I am this, I have this disability or that disability. Start your work slowly, gain confidence,
Yes,
and
that's
that
a very
confidence
important
itself will help to improve the results of
results.
the treatment.
Okay, one more thing, I want to request you, Dr. Manjuna. Tomorrow, can we take a little information about some instruction to common people?
Mm.
What they can do the commonly exercises in daily, like stress free, and what we can give the suggestion to common people. Tomorrow, okay, can I get some information from you?
Definitely,
So
I'll explain.
on that base of that topic,
Yeah,
we can take.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, sir. Do you want any questions? You please raise that questions.
Yeah, I think we have discussed extensively about my treatment and how we should go about and how the common man can benefit from people who are expert and should not think or doubt people who are of good repute. And it is about your word of mouth, and you should once you have the confidence, you totally take them into your confidence. Give them the confidence that you are confident of what they are doing, and you will get the best result.
Definitely, that's the correct words.
So that means the credit of this thing
Both.
is
This is a teamwork.
It is both.
This is a teamwork.
The patient and the physician, both, and the physiotherapist or whatever teams
Yeah,
are
teamwork.
involved, everybody should
Is
have
very
confidence in
important.
each other. Then only things will improve and automatically dramatic results will be there.
True, sir.
Otherwise, it will not work.
It won't
If
work.
you have doubts, if the patient keeps on having doubts, keeps on finding faults, keeps on finding something, keeps on moaning, nagging, those are the things which will drag him down, and his treatment will be impeded. Even though we are giving the same treatment to another patient, he will improve faster because he is in a positive, in a frame of mind where he is accepting everything. If
Yeah.
you are not accepting the things, you will never improve that fast.
Yeah, one thing, it will have to the boost of the patient also is very, very important.
And
That it will recovery also it will be very fast.
at the same time, the patient also trusts.
You have to cooperate and trust,
Yeah.
and that's very, very important.
Okay, thank you, Manjuna sir.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you.